Welcome to our channel, where we explore the latest in technology and innovation. In today's video, we are diving into the future of drones and the exciting possibilities that lie ahead. So, let's soar into the skies of innovation. Drones, or unmanned aerial vehicles, have already revolutionized various industries and captured our imaginations. But what does the future hold for these flying marvels? Let's explore. One of the most thrilling advancements on the horizon is autonomous flight. Imagine a world where drones can navigate and make decisions independently. With advancements in artificial intelligence and machine learning, this future is within our reach. Autonomous drones could perform complex tasks like aerial inspections, deliveries, and search and rescue missions with heightened efficiency and safety. But it doesn't stop there. Drones are set to integrate with emerging technologies such as augmented reality and virtual reality. Imagine wearing AR/VR goggles and experiencing breathtaking virtual tours of far-off destinations, all while guided by a drone hovering above. This integration of drones and AR/VR technology will open up a whole new world of immersive experiences and enhanced situational awareness. As our cities become smarter, drones will play a vital role in their development. Picture drones monitoring traffic, infrastructure, and public safety. With their agility and flexibility, drones can aid in everything from air quality monitoring to assisting with traffic management. They can even optimize energy consumption by identifying areas of inefficiency. The future of cities is indeed looking up with the help of drones. And let's not forget about drone swarms. By coordinating multiple drones to work together in a synchronized manner, we can accomplish tasks on a larger scale. From creating captivating light shows to performing complex search and rescue operations, drone swarms offer endless possibilities for innovation and creativity. So, as we gaze into the future, it's clear that drones will continue to push boundaries and transform the way we live, work, and explore. From autonomous flight to integration with AR/VR technology and their role in smart cities, drones are set to revolutionize our world. Stay tuned to our channel as we delve deeper into the exciting world of technology and innovation. Thanks for watching.